Hello guys, today in this video we will discuss about gold on the silver market analysis. As mentioned in my previous videos, the gold is still in bullish buy trend. This is daily time frame. I'm moving into H4. We can see the price here respecting the trend line. I am connecting this on this. So it's clearly in the buy trend. Today is June 1st. In monthly time frame, it tries to push up more. For the past 2 months, it's been bullish. You can see the big candle here, it's trying to push up, and now it's currently in a new month. So we might see a little bit of retracement or more upwards. We might get a little bit of retracements here, maybe around here, and later on there is a chance that price might push up and it will decide in this area. Now let's move on to the encoder calculation. These lines, these are very important. You can see here as I have marked the lines 1871.57. The reason calculated line is 1899.28. These are all not some random levels. These are all based on mathematical levels, pure calculations. The future market, it has to hold and decide here. It is one of the most important, critical and crucial deciding areas. So when the price reaches these levels, you have to be more careful. You can see here, the price pushed from 1815. These levels are marked weeks ago. So make sure you place these lines in your chart and use your own analysis for confirmations. So here, the more it closes above these lines, it's more likely to buy actually. So here the price is in the top actually. In weekly and monthly, it has closed above but not much. So it's a crucial level. I would wait here and decide. Not only that, you can see that it's the previous month high actually. You can see in the monthly chart, this is the high price. So in the first day of June, we can see the price, it's trying to breach and break the high of the previous month. Usually it acts as a big resistance or support. So the price, it's ranging up and down. So we gather more information on the price action and we trade based on the price patterns which is formed during the US session actually. There is a very good chance price might go up. In case if it comes down, this could be the major decision area. Once it breaks down, there is a very good chance the price might come here up to 1871. So we will decide based on the confirmations we get. Also, if there is any changes or updates, I will post in my Telegram channel. Okay, let's move on to the silver analysis. You can see the price here in silver. Let me mark the trend line first. It is very obvious and clear the price is in the up direction. It's in the buy trend in daily time frame. The clear indication of price rejections here. It went up again here. It pushed up, again here. Again we see a rejection here with the stop and pin bar. Again it pushed up. This is H4 time frame. Here there is an important drop zone. So usually the price drops a bit and retraces. It has already happened during the UK and the Asian session. You can see the price drop here. So I'm expecting a bit of more drop here during the US session, maybe around here, and it might decide. There is also a very good chance the price might actually could come down more and break, and it could come down here. The price, it is actually ranging in this particular low to high 18/5/2021. From here the price, it's been ranging in this particular box. So you should understand the price action first. It is in a buy trend, but still we will see the price. it's down, up, down, up, down, and up, down. So people, they might actually keep their stops very very close to these highs and get stopped out easily. So you should not do that. Your stops should be at these highs or at these lows. So you should be scalping in between and understand the price action, and based on the confirmations we get here, we enter and trade based on the correlation. So be careful in this, and let's move on to the encoder calculation of silver. Encoder calculation for silver, it's the same. I forecasted this a few weeks ago and it's expecting really good. You can see the price actually went up here. It tries to break very hard up, but now again we saw a rejection here in a H1 time frame. So still expecting a little bit of drop here, something like this, and maybe later it will decide. So mark these lines I have shown here, 28.09 to 28.211. I have told you that the market will hold here in my previous videos. You can see the confirmations here. So the market is really ranging in between these prices. So make sure you mark these lines and trade based on this. If any updates, I'll post in my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel, Price Action Expert. If you have any doubts, you can contact me in this ID here. And I'll post daily updates here. If there is any instant changes, if there is any reversals and etc., if there is an update, you will get here. Make sure to join this in your Telegram. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next week.